Hi there, Nashville Amplifier Service here, servicing amplifiers in Nashville. I thought we'd make a quick little video about how we test these great big giant PA amps, because they're kind of hard to test. So we got a Crown Macrotech 5000 here, which is a beautiful amp. I love the Macrotech series stuff. I highly recommend them. You can fix them and they can last forever. So here's one we just repaired and rebuilt, and you know, we go through all the bench testing and bias them and set there. They have these temperature limits and current limiting circuits. You know, these older Crowns, they're kind of like, nobody made amps that great. And I just thought I'd do a quick video of this one because, you know, this amp puts out, what is it? 1,300 watts into 8 ohms per channel at clipping, and more into 4 ohms. They're super high powered amps. So an amp like that you can fix, you can test it, you can give it a quick listen, make sure everything measures good. But torture testing it is something we kind of have to do, particularly with PA stuff, because this will go back to a sound company and it's going to go in a rack and fire up a couple of PA speakers or maybe a pair of subs or something like that. So we need to know that's going to work. And one way we can do that without blasting some speakers out here in the warehouse all day is to run it into dummy loads. And building like 2,000, 3,000 watt dummy loads is sort of a challenge, except for maybe not. So what we got here, if you put the camera down here, is a couple of cans of water. And we have water heaters. And this is a water heating element. It actually is a 2,000 watt 8 ohm resistor. I have two of them. I have one in a big can and one in a smaller can, 5 gallon and 1 gallon. And we're experimenting with how big those cans need to be, depending on what we're testing. So, and I've got a CD, I think we have Jeff Lynne actually playing into this amp, and I've kind of measured the basic signals so I know that I'm hitting this amp, particularly when those two bottom clip lids start to light up. We're hitting the amp pretty hard, probably running it at 800 watts a channel or something like that. With real music, we're in between songs. Here comes another song. And we're heating up the water with the amplifier, which is kind of cool. And we're gonna make hot dogs later.